So continuing the 65 interior restoration, he opted to go with the TMI seat upholstery. We got this from Wolfsburg West, and they had it in stock. So Wolfsburg West has a lot of TMI stuff in stock, and you can get it within a week's time. But with the TMI stuff, you notice there's not much padding in this vinyl material, as opposed to, say, going with, say, SoFine or West Coast Classic restorations. They have some padding that's in the vinyl. So what we do is, if you see underneath here, there's a jute material. I'll come over here. So I go to a carpet store and I get this jute material, which is like that 1/4 inch thick, around 1/4 inch, I guess. And I get, like, I don't know, a 6x9 piece, and then we wrap this material over the springs. Then on top of that, with some new high density foam padding from TMI.